Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing a quick review of this Amazon travel wash bag in a lovely pink color. I bought this set for just 174 and it's actually very useful for travel and daily organization. In this pack, you get 3 pouches in different sizes, and which makes it easy to organize your toiletry, makeup, and small accessories. The large pouch is perfect for shampoo, face wash, and skincare product, and the medium one can store a makeup item like compact brushes, foundation, and small pouches is great for lipstick, hairband, and rubber band. And the material is translucent, so you can easily see what's inside without opening the pouch. It's also waterproof, which is great in case any liquid spills during travel. It also has a handle, making it easy to carry when you are on a trip. For the price 174, the quality is quite decent and the zipper work smoothly. Overall, if you want a budget friendly travel organizer, this wash bag set of 3 is definitely worth trying. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to purchase this product, then actual link is in description box, so you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.